Hey you all, do you know you can make these dancing AI videos very easily and can grow on YouTube and Instagram? Yes, you can make these videos very easily. People are using these AI cartoon dance video to grow on Instagram and on YouTube, and just by uploading few videos they are getting huge follower and subscriber. Here are the example you can see on the screen. Only two posts and you can see that this person has got such followers. Here also only 20 posts and 15k followers. They have 5 posts and 1400 followers. So you can see that I'm showing you on example, and you can even check on Instagram. Just by these AI cartoon videos they are making, and they are getting such huge followers and subscriber on YouTube. So in this video, guys, I will show you how you can make these AI cartoon dancing videos very easily, and I will show you entire step, and within few step you can able to make such AI cartoon dancing videos, and you can upload it on Instagram and on YouTube so that you can earn more follower and subscriber. So let me show you how you can do these things. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe Basics with Meeta and be the part of this channel so that you'll be updated with my upcoming videos. So let me show you how you can make such videos. So you will go to Google and write chat GPT here, and I will show you how using this chat GPT you can be able to generate AI image and can make AI dancing animation video. So here you will give command to chat GPT about the image you are looking for. So here you can see that I am writing the command, and accordingly it will write prompt for me, and I will ask ChatGPT to write prompt for me so that I can generate one image for me. And here you can see that it has written one command for me. Now I will go to wix.com, and here I will write that prompt, and I will click here, and you can see that it is generating the prompt image what ChatGPT has written. So you can see that it's half size image, but I want full size image. For that I will ask ChatGPT to give me another prompt of same image but full size I am looking for. So I will go to ChatGPT again, and there I'll ask for this prompt where I can get the full size image. So I will download this in my system, and then I'll go to ChatGPT. I will ask to write full size image prompt, and I will paste it to Wix so that I will get full size image for the same image. So as you can see that it has generated full size image for me, and I will download this, and again I will ask ChatGPT to write the prompt for the same image but in 3D cartoon character. So I will give this command, and it has generated prompt for me. I will copy and I will paste it here, and then you will see that it is generating this cartoon character for me for the same image. So now you can see that I've got these two cartoon character here. I will download it. Here on the screen you can see the cartoon image. Now I will use this cartoon character for my 3D dancing video, and for that I will go to a platform of Clinch AI. As you can see on the screen, you will search on Google. So you can see that I have generated 3D cartoon image character for me that I will use for my dancing video. And I will go here, I will go to this option AI video generator. Now here I will upload any general dancing video that you can download it from anywhere. Now Clinch AI asking me to sign up. I'll sign up here. My video is uploading, but side by it is asking me to upload the image. So here I am uploading the AI cartoon character image, and below you can see that I'm getting option of generate. I'll click on generate, and I'll enable audio also. So beside you can see that here it is generating 3D AI animation dancing video, and it will follow the same general video which I've uploaded. It will use the audio and step of that video, but I will get here character which I have made from ChatGPT, and I will get the video of AI cartoon dancing video that I can upload on Instagram and YouTube for my channel. So this video will really going to help you out, and you must be able to get best video for you. So if you get this video helpful, do subscribe, be the part of Basics with Meeta, and get updated with my upcoming videos by hitting on bell icon. So I hope you get this video helpful. Do subscribe. Till then, take care. Have a great time.